In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see login history and log out on Instagram. First, open Instagram and make sure you're on your main home dashboard. This is the screen where you see your feed with posts from people you follow. You can do this on a computer in your browser, which is usually the easiest way to follow along with these steps, but the layout is similar on most devices. Once you're on the home dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with icons and labels like Home, Search, Reels, and so on. At the bottom of this menu, click on the option labeled More. This opens an extra menu with additional settings and tools that don't fit in the main sidebar. In this new menu that appears, click on Settings. This takes you into the main settings area for your Instagram account, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Inside Settings, look for an option called Accounts Center. Go ahead and click that. The Accounts Center is where Instagram and other connected services group together things like your login and security details, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Now that you're in the Accounts Center, find and click on Password and Security. This is the section dedicated specifically to keeping your account safe. Anytime you want to review your security settings, this is where you come. Under Password and Security, select the option that says where you're logged in. This is the key area for this tutorial. Here, Instagram shows you a list of devices and locations where your account is currently active or has recently been active. It's a good idea to review this list every now and then, just to make sure you recognize everything you see. Next, you'll see one or more accounts listed, especially if you manage more than one Instagram profile. Click on the account you want to check. When you do that, Instagram will show you more details about the devices that are logged into that specific account, such as the type of device and an approximate location. From this screen, if you notice a device or location that you don't recognize, you can use the log out options provided to remove access from that device. After logging out suspicious sessions, it's a smart move to change your password and consider turning on two-factor authentication for extra protection. This way, you stay in control of where and how your Instagram account is being used.